Hello travel enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of remarkable 12th century temple submerged underwater for 7 decades. Join us as we explore the fascinating history and exquisite the architecture of the Venugopala Swamy Temple in Karnataka. The Venugopala Swamy Temple, constructed in the 12th century by the Hoysalas, met an unusual end when the Krishna Raja Sagara Dam submerged it for 70 years. Remarkably resilient, the temple reappeared in the 2000 as the water level dropped. The late Hari Khoday of Khoday's foundation played a pivotal role in restoring this architectural gem. Costing 2.5 crore, the relocation involved over 200 people and officially commenced in May 2003, successfully complete in 2011. The new temple, located in a Hosakanambadi village, stands as a testament to both history and human dedication. Now, let's dive into the architectural splendor of the Venugopala Swamy Temple. The 700 years old structure boasts awe-inspiring motifs engraved on every inch of its walls, pillars, and ceiling. The original idol of Lord Krishna playing his flute remains intact in the Sanactum, captivating the visitors with its jewel-studded glimmering eyes. In the temple complex, you will find deities of gods, goddesses, and rivers like Lakshmi, Rahu, Ketu, Narmada, and Ganga, each housed in their own individual cells. Take at least 2 hours to explore the vast complex, soaking in the stories embedded in every corner. As you drive down to the temple through the lush coconut tree-lined roads, the KRS backwater come into the view. The massive granite complex of the Venugopala Swamy Temple greets you, surrounded by clear blue skies and cotton clouds. Spend quality time in the courtyard, enjoying the calm backwaters and glorious sun. Marvel at the beautifully manicured gardens, benches, and small mantapas around the temple when you are observed the exquisite architecture and serenity of the nature. The temple will open from Friday to Monday, 9 am to 6:30 pm. The Venugopala Swamy Temple. Devotees are not allowed to offer coconuts or flowers. In fact, the temple does not even have a hundi, donation box for offerings. The Venugopala Swamy Temple is truly a hidden gem in Karnataka, offering a slice of Hampi's grandeur. I had visited the place in November and I went there along with my family members. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the magic of this ancient temple that has withstood the test of a time. Until next time, happy exploring.